Wagwan squad, welcome back to another video in the Jamaican Porridge series where I try to make all the Jamaican favorites. This is a real walk down nostalgia lane because I haven't had some of these in the longest time. Today we're making some delicious creamy wheat. This one is extremely easy and super quick, but you still might pick up a few tricks here and there. Alright, let's get into it. So this is nostalgic for a lot of people. I haven't had this much since I was very little. In fact, it's a popular baby food. Creamy wheat is basically enriched semolina, which is made from durum wheat. Jamaica Flour Mills is the prime producer here. They come in little bags like that one or boxes like these that hold a bit more. I really like the plain cereal, but they have a number of different flavors. I had no idea there are so many. I would have gotten a couple of the other flavors like banana or chocolate, but I never really see them stocked in stores. The plain creamy wheat is the most popular, but strawberry flavor is a favorite, and these are pretty much all you will see in stores. I guess the other ones are not worth stocking. The bread is supposed to hold as hell in a real life. Alright, let's make some baby food. This is pretty simple and straightforward. We need to start with a creamy flavorful liquid. I'm using half cup coconut milk. Optional, but this is delicious. Hardly ever make porridge without it. 2 cups of whole milk. This could easily be water or other nut milks to make this vegan or tolerable for those of us with lactose intolerance. I'm using a cinnamon stick. Powder works pretty well too, but nothing beats fresh cinnamon leaves. Half teaspoon almond extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and about half a teaspoon nutmeg. Add salt to taste. This is about half teaspoon, and that's pretty much it for that. I'm going to place this on medium heat to extract the flavors. Around 5 to 8 minutes should be good. This would have been much quicker with powdered cinnamon. The milk might still scald and stuff might still burn, so give it a mix and don't let it just sit before it starts to boil. It's been simmering for a bit now. You can smell all the flavors, so that's an indicator that we can add the final ingredient. This is half a cup of wheat cereal. This thickens up and cooks really quick, about 2 to 3 minutes. You have to mix this constantly or it might burn as it gets thick, or you might end up with lumps. I actually like a few lumps though, but that's probably just me. Smells really nice. Yeah, that's almost instant. Alright, this is done. I'm going to do a taste test to see if anything needs adjusted. This is the best time to make adjustments before I remove it. Perfect. Very creamy. Only needs a bit of sweet now, but you will get into that in a minute. I'm also trying the strawberry flavor. Same ingredients, same procedure. You can smell that artificial strawberry flavor. It's really satisfying. Alright, let's plate it up. Creamy wheat porridge is highly underrated, and I'm going to be having it for breakfast more often. It's quick, easy, and really tasty. If I wasn't filming, this would take less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to sweeten with honey. Could use sugar, brown sugar tastes better. I'm also going to use condensed milk. I really like the combination of condensed milk and honey in porridge. This will still taste good with either honey or condensed milk alone. Fresh fruits complement creamy wheat porridge really well. I have strawberry and papaya for the strawberry flavored porridge. I'm going to use strawberry and banana for the plain creamy wheat just to mix it up a bit. Alright, not bad. Alright, let's taste this before it cools down any further. Still hot. Milk and honey taste really good. It's creamy and smooth. Almost like cornmeal porridge, but has a much lighter texture. It's solid. This porridge series remind me all about the good things them. Baby food tastes damn good. Also I gotta try the strawberry flavor. It tastes really nice, and the fresh fruits are the enjoyable relief from the creaminess, but I can see why people call this baby food still. Thanks again, squad, for watching, and if you want to give Feed and Teach a little extra support, check out my Patreon. The link will be in the description, and I will see you in the next one.